These are the original knives. They've been sharpened probably 3 times, but they're due. They're kind of blunt on the end. Some knives you sharpen on the bottom, but these you actually sharpen the top. This top half inch or so.